Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to ship Pokemon cards on eBay with 4x6 labels. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and print out shipping labels using these adhesive labels that you see right over here. So the good thing about 4x6 labels is that you can easily just peel them off and then slap them onto an envelope that looks like this. So with that being said, the first thing that you need to do is that if we hop on over to our eBay account, when you purchase your shipping label, you want to make sure that you change the print format to be 4x6. So simply just click on change, then select 4x6. Afterwards, purchase and download the shipping label, and then you should have it as a PDF. Click on Command P, and then you want to make sure that your thermal printer is connected to your laptop. So the thermal printer I'm using is the iDPRT thermal printer. Load your 4x6 shipping labels, and then with the print format, which is right here, the paper size, you want to select 4x6 and then click on print. Once you print out your thermal label, let's just grab a random Pokemon card here. We'll take this nice Squirtle right over here. You simply just place the card into the envelope and then peel off the label and then slap it on just like that. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and ship Pokemon cards using a 4x6 thermal printer label. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. I'll also link to my printer down below in the description.